Hello YouTube friends, thanks so much for joining me. I want to go do a quick video today about how you make calcium for your plants. So what you do is you save all your shells from your eggs and you dry them, rinse them off and dry them. They will not give you any smell and anything. So once you finish, when they are dry, you just put them in the blender like that. I'm gonna do two different sections, and then you close it up and you blend it. So bear with the noise. Make sure it's closed. There you go. It doesn't make as much noise as, oh, it's spilling all over, but this will be perfect for your plants. Let me just cover up this because I'm missing that part. So this will be perfect for your plants. You can mix this with your soil and it will be just amazing. The plants will love it. This is pure calcium. And so this will be a quick video. I'm gonna finish this up. I just want to share this with you. And once you finish that up, you see it's very just a little, kind of like a little powder. You mix that really, you blend that very well and it will be a powder, and you mix a couple of spoons with your soil for your plants, and they are good for succulents, they're good for any plants. It's just calcium and they love this. So thanks for joining me. Have a great day.